Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street, large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty, well-maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hey everyone, I'm here in the Newport building on a 5th floor. Just came out of this elevator. When you come out on your right, you have these stairs to go down. and I'm about to show you a 1-bedroom unit, unit number 523. As you walk in, you see this beautiful hardwood floor, and the door on my left, it takes you to this huge bedroom. This bedroom has a full bath inside and 2 huge closets. As you could see, you also have a very high ceiling. The first closet space is just next to the door. Here it's a very deep closet. You also have light. The next, here you have a full bath inside the bedroom. The bathroom has a tile floor, beautiful tile wall, and bathtub and shower combo. You also have this medicine cabinet, a window for a fresh air. Nice bathroom. Coming back to the bedroom, here on your left you have a window. It's a tinted window. You could open it to bring a fresh air, and there is no view. You only see the stairs, the fire stairs, and this is what it looks like from this end, your bedroom. Over there on the top you have additional storage space. The current tenant actually put her luggage over there, so it's a nice place to have for storage. And the second closet I would like to show you is this one. It's big in size. It has shelf on this end. Nice size closet. It is huge bedroom. Then this door will take you to the living space. This is your living space, and in the living room we have these 4 huge windows for a natural light. Big, you get a lot of natural light here. And also you have a beautiful view of the city from your living room. This is the hallway. I came in through that door earlier and went to the bedroom through this door and look around and came to the living area. This is the living area. And over there you have your open kitchen, a very nice updated kitchen. You have an island for a dining. You have stacked up washer and dryer. Nice. You have stainless steel appliances. You have a dishwasher, upgraded countertop, a gas oven and cooktop, and built-in microwave. A lot of storage space, storage cabinet. Beautiful and nice in size. This is your refrigerator. And this is your view from your kitchen. All right, guys, I just showed you a 1-bedroom unit in the Newport building. The unit has this hardwood floor throughout the apartment, and a huge bedroom with 2 big closet space and bathroom inside the bedroom. You have a lot of storage places in this unit. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. I thank you for watching. Bye.